Did you know that just 30 knights once conquered an entire kingdom? In 1035, a group of Norman brothers arrived in southern Italy with nothing but their swords and horses. They were called the Hauteville brothers, and they were about to pull off one of history's greatest military miracles. Robert Guiscard was a tactical genius who used his heavy cavalry to crush anyone who stood in his way. Meanwhile, his brother Roger systematically captured Muslim fortresses across Sicily, one by one. But here's the brilliant part. They didn't just rely on brute force. The Hautevilles were master politicians. They played Arabs against Byzantines, and Byzantines against Italian princes. When it served them, they adopted local customs and even married into local families, but they never gave up their Norman fighting techniques. Within 50 years, these landless adventurers had carved out a kingdom that would last 2 centuries. Their realm became one of medieval Europe's wealthiest states, all because 30 knights refused to accept that they were nobodies. Sometimes the greatest empires start with the smallest beginnings.